This is not fiction, this is history. You're about to step into Auschwitz, the largest Nazi concentration and extermination camp. For over 1 million people, this place was the end. What follows is told in the first person, to help us remember what it meant to arrive here. The train slams the brakes, a metal scream. Darkness lifts as the door cracks open to winter air. Boots on gravel. Orders barked. You clutch a small bag. Everything you still believe is yours. A gate ahead. Letters in iron. Arbeit macht frei. The words feel colder than the wind. Dogs strain at leashes. A whistle cracks. Columns form.
Left.
No time to think.
Left.
Only to obey. A gloved hand gestures left. Another right. Families split with a single flick of a wrist. You reach for someone's fingers. They slip away in the surge. Their voice disappears into noise. The bag is taken. A tag replaces your name. A number swallows your breath. Barracks ahead. Wood and wire. Smoke lines the sky like a sentence already written. Inside, bunks in rows, straw that scratches. The air is stale with coughs and whispers. Hunger speaks first. It speaks again. It never stops. A number sewn on fabric. Your reflection in a tin cup looks older than this morning. Outside, a whistle again. You join the line. The cold counts every rib. Names are not called. Numbers are. The sky does not answer. Work begins. It ends. It begins again. Time here is a wheel with no spokes. A guard's shadow crosses your boots. You don't lift your eyes. You learn fast. At night, the barrack whispers, "Where did the children go?" No one finishes the question. The chimney answers in smoke. You wish it were a lie. A tin of soup passes hand to hand. Someone divides it fair. Humanity refuses to die. You hide a crumb for later. Later arrives too soon. A name is spoken like a prayer. It warms the mouth for a moment. Someone collapses.
Get up!
Another kneels. The line does not stop. You learn the map by pain. Where not to stand, when not to speak. A scrap of paper drifts. 2 words. Hold on. You fold them into your sleeve. Morning frost turns to slush. The cold changes shape, but never leaves. A rumor crawls through the bunks. The front is moving. No one says which way. You count days by the color of the sky. Today is iron. A prisoner shares a story from before. Sunlight, a table, the smell of bread. For a heartbeat, you taste it. Then the heartbeat ends. Another selection. You grip your number like a lifeline. You pass. Others don't. Footsteps echo in a corridor you never see again. Night brings a terrible quiet. Even the wind seems to listen. You stare at the fence and imagine it turning into trees. Dawn. A thin ribbon of light. Your ribs rise to meet it. The ground trembles. Distant thunder that isn't weather. Shouting. Different voices. The gate doesn't seem taller anymore. The doors open. The air moves differently, like a room exhaling. You step forward, not free yet, but seen. The world will know this place. Remember us. Remember all of us.